So, because of the nature of family sexual abuse, there's always going to be someone who you love, who is in your family, who reminds you of the one who violated you, who talks like them, who walks like them, who sounds like them, who has similar mannerisms towards them. And because of these triggers, you might begin to separate yourself from them, although you love them. Your trigger may begin to override your love and create distance in your relationship with one of your loved ones. But when you have emotional autonomy, you're able to compartmentalize these feelings, you're able to separate them, and you're able to be untriggered. I would love to support you to compartmentalize and to master your emotional autonomy. So, do feel free to apply for a free strategy session where we master your emotional autonomy so that you don't have to spend time away from any other family member whom you love, who is reminding you of the one who violated you and releasing your triggers.